Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today I'm recording this video log to let the people in occupied Pakistan know what General Bajwa and his cronies are doing. General Bajwa, you have a tendency of always having an alternate version of the reality. And let me tell you what the reality is. The reality is that you are busted. You're busted red-handed. Thanks to some great investigative work by Altaf Hussain Bhai, and in his last tweet, he has even mentioned the letter in which you have addressed to General Omar, the Director General, Sindh Rangers to take immediate actions and necessary actions, provided if captains of the create a sanctity issue of Qaed's tomb. First of all, how did you know all about this? And even if there was something that happened in that regards, who the hell gave you the authority to meddle in politics, which you have? So the reality is that meddling in politics is not allowed when you are serving in Pakistan Army. So you have clearly violated your oath and you should be court-martialed. General Bajwa and your cronies, the Bajwa doctrine will die. You only got two choices. Either you get out of Sindh and Balochistan or be ready to face the wrath of Sindhudesians and Baloch people. You know that the lava is cooking. I would say it's already cooked. And when this lava will erupt, it will wipe you off from Sindh and Balochistan for good. Altaf Hussain's last tweet, he is a great leader. People follow him. He lives in the hearts and minds of the people. So his last tweet will be the last nail in your filthy coffin. Court-martial Bajwa. Thank you. Jai Altaf. Jai Sindhudesh. Take care.